Will with Lake Lifter, and this is how you replace an electric controller inside of our Boat motor control box, which is either going to be this housing here or this one here.
Before you start operating, make sure that your box is turned off and unplugged. To unscrew the lid, start by removing all the screws. There are two screw types, a large screw and a small screw. The small screws will be located up on the top of the box where it's lower, and the larger screws will be on the side of the box that is closer to you where it's raised up slightly. Make sure to keep these screws separated into two different piles. Use a flathead screwdriver to lift the red tab and pull out the switch like this. Clamp the blue clip down to pull out the power button. Remove these two black wires at the top. Unscrew the 4 screws with your screwdriver and put them into a separate pile from the other screws. Push the wires at the bottom through the hole here. Remove the control box. To reattach a controller, run the wires through the hole here. Screw the box back in. Before you screw the box fully back in, make sure that no wires are clipped between the edges as this damages them. Tape the antenna on the right side of the box here. It is very fragile, please be careful. Clip in these 2 black wires on top. Make sure that the 2-prong and the 3-prong connectors both line up. This is very important, do not force the connection. Reattach your battery. This is a different process for an AC and a DC system. For a manual system, move the wires out of the way. Screw the cap back on, make sure the wires are in the right place, and do not use an impact drill.
Hey, thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website, which is the top link in the description.